Okay, so today we're going to create a flowboard. First we're going to create a flowboard. And then you have a bunch of different flowboards, but first we're going to start from scratch. You're going to hit the start from scratch button and it'll give you a template that doesn't really have anything on it. You're going to put your title, and our title is going to be Groovy. Then you're going to hit add screen, and you can add any of these screens. And double tap, and you're going to hit text, and then you can type different things like, we'll put Groovy is fun. You can also put in photos. So you're going to hit double click, you're going to hit the image button, and you're going to click on iPad or camera roll. Then we'll scroll down, and we'll find a photo of Zeus. So now that we have a Zeus photo, you can crop the photo so that it fits inside by using these little arrows, or you can link it to a different slide. We'll show you how to do that in a little bit. So you can also add a video, a PDF. So we'll do a video, and you'll click on camera roll, and this is all the videos that you have. So then you can click on the video that you want to put in, and it's going to say small, medium, or large. You're going to want to click the one you want, and we'll do small. And then you're going to, it'll probably say skip compressing. This video has already been optimized. So then, which basically means you can't use it. So you'll either have to delete it, and then for a gallery, you click on camera roll.
Okay, hurry up and then talk about the other stuff.
And add multiple photos on, and it'll make a gigantic gallery. You'll hit the done button, and it'll edit your gallery. So you'll click the button on the bottom of your screen, and you can edit where all your photos in your gallery go. Then you'll hit the done again. So it'll still probably say button at the bottom. We're going to want to crop it so it'll fit our picture. Then after that, we'll click on this one. And for a PDF,
You might have to upgrade it.
Available to users with a premium subscription. So if you upgrade it, you can add in PDFs.
Okay, talk about different things.
Okay, so once you're done with the slide, we'll add another screen. Here, put it back. We'll add a screen.
Press down.
And we'll click a slide. And we're just going to put some random text on this one. So it's going to be a bunch of random letters. And I'm going to hit done, because if I click on this slide and I'll click Zeus, you can link it to a slide. So you're going to link it to this one. Then you're going to hit done, and you're going to hit done again. And look, there's Groovy. So you're going to hit view, and when you click on Zeus, it'll go over to the other slide. Now that is how you do one from scratch. Now we're going to show you how to do one regularly. Okay, so now we're going to use, you're going to click create a flowboard, and we're going to use one of the loaded templates. We're not going to do one from scratch. So we'll do a science rules one. Most of the time you can either click on it or click choose or preview to see what it's going to look like. So you have this template. It's always going to have one like a beginning screen, but if you start them from scratch, it shouldn't. because you have to add them. So you can add stuff. If you double tap, you can edit it. It's basically like the other one. You can still add all that other stuff and link videos and stuff like that. But that's basically all for that. So then all of your templates that you've used should appear on your Flowboard screen. So so here's one that I've already done. So it's Christmas, but it's a good example. So this, so basically you could do holiday cards, birthday cards, all that other stuff. So it says, wishing you a very happy holiday. So that's how you do that. And then if you want to go back to all your other Flowboards, you're going to hit the done button. Then you have a library, and it loads your Flowboards. When you download Flowboards onto like Keynote and presentation and stuff, they'll appear in your library. Then your catalog is where you can get examples or other Flowboards that people have done. And my app just crashed. It sometimes crashes, and it'll give you one thing that some people don't like is it asks you to rate it a lot. So, okay. So when you click these 3 slash marks up here, it opens this other screen and it shows your monthly usage, and then it shows how many days you have left until it resets the app. It has your settings. On this one, if you click on your name, you can edit it, and you can edit your profile picture. You're going to click either on iPad or camera roll. Then you can put in whatever picture you want on here. So it all depends on what you're doing in this app. So we're back. We're talking more about when you click those 3 slash marks. You change your profile picture as we had said. You can also, it isn't really a shortcut, but you can also create a Flowboard from here. If you click the Go Premium button, it'll bring up a slide, and it shows your monthly usage and how much you have to pay to go premium. I would not recommend going premium because it can add up to a lot of money. You can also visit flowboard.com. If you need help, you can click on the help button and it should help you. If you said feedback, you basically send feedback from your email on your iPad to the people that made Flowboard, and they'll get it. Then you have settings, which is your display name, your email address. You can change your password, your subscription, and snap guides, which is basically moving stuff all over the place, like the different slides and stuff. You also have the sign out button. You also have the sign out button, so if you click the sign out button, it signs you out so that if you have students in your classroom or if you have other children that would use Flowboard for their homework assignment, you can sign out so that all their if they mess up on their Flowboards, they don't have to be under your account. One last thing before we go, you can share Flowboards. You click the share button, and you can enter a description, and you can change it to public, restricted, and private. And then you click this button if you want your Flowboard to be remixed. So we'll share this one, and we want it to be only me. So then it's posting your Flowboard on the web, and sometimes that can be very dangerous, so I'm not going to let it completely post on the web. So there you have it. That's how you use Flowboard.